everyone, I am Hardik Singh and I am from class 5th Maples Academy Deoban, and today I with my classmates make the project of volcano, and today we are show you the volcanic eruption and tell something about it. So let's start.
My name is Aman Hat. Today I made a model volcano. A volcano is an opening in a planet or moon's crust through which molten rock, hot gases and other material erupt. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shuryansh and today's my topic is volcano. So there are three types of volcano: extant, dormant and active volcano. Extant volcano are those that dead or inactive, like Mount Ashitaka in Japan, Mount Bunyong in Australia. Dormant volcano are those that not erupt for a long time but may erupt anytime, like Mount Kia in Hawaii, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Active volcano are those that erupt from a quite often, like Mount Etna in Italy, Barren Island in Andaman Sea of India. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Ananya Garg. Volcano is a very dangerous volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust. There are three types of volcanoes: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arnav Singh. When a volcano erupts, it causes immense destruction. Firstly, the lava goes up in the air and then slides through all its sides. Thank you. Hello, I am Aradhya Singh. A volcano erupts when a magma which is lighter than the solid rocks around it rises to the surface of the earth and reaches to the break area in the earth.
Now let's observe eruption of volcano.
I'm Yashwant Rana. The main cause of a volcanic eruption is the change in pressure within the volcano, forcing the magma to overflow the chamber it is holding. Thank you.
Do you know why it erupts?
Yes, the baking soda reacts with ENO. It produces carbon dioxide gas. That is why it's erupts.